Okay, hey guys, it's Joaquin. Just gonna do a little lunchtime flight. Show you the carpentry shop as promised. Sean, saw your video last night, and you got quite a collection of stuff going on over there. Very cool. Simon, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your trip. I know I did. Peter, looking forward to some video from you. Rob, always flying great as usual. Well, we got a new CNC router in the other day, last week. And our shop electrician is hooking it up for us over there. See if I can get a little closer. I adjusted my onboard camera. It should be maybe not looking down quite as much as it was before. Let's see, of course we got a planer right there. And over here we've got a CNC table saw, made in Germany, only the best. Let's see, what else we got? It's our miter saw, I guess you call them. We got one there, one on the other side. I'm blowing stuff around pretty good in here. So this is the carpentry section. Not much to it, but we get a lot of stuff done in here. Got a couple of joiners. There's our big one right there. Wanted to fly outside today. I flew yesterday, but man, it was really windy. It's windy again today. Too windy, I think. I don't know if you can see what kind of wind we got out there. See how close I can get to the window without hitting it. I think that's about enough. A big bandsaw. I don't usually fly on this side of the shop, so I'm not real familiar with where all the stuff is at. Yeah. Okay. I'll be right there. You like the door cat? Yeah, a lot of people like that.
It works though.
Yeah.
Do you have any thought of where you want this to?
I'm thinking a lot of it we might want to put out in the warehouse and just bring it in as we need it. The rings and stuff we'll leave inside the shop in here, because that's going to be the base of it all.
I'll have him pull to that door then.
Okay.
All right?
Yep. I'll meet you over. Alright. Okay guys, gonna call this one short today. We got a big load of steel in for a big job that we're working on, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you online. Bye. Okay, that sucked. Jesus.